Welcome to this video. This video we are going to see how to read a content inside a file using FileWriter. So FileWriter is again a character stream. This used to write the input as a character stream inside a file. So writing a character stream inside a file using the FileWriter class in Java. So first we need to create an object for the FileWriter. FileWriter fw is equal to new FileWriter. So FileWriter, the input you need to give is the path of the file where you want to write the content. Okay. So here the FileWriter having one of the important thing that even though the file is not available in the particular location, the FileWriter can able to create the file first and then it will write the content. So if I give a path in my FileWriter, first the FileWriter will check in that particular path whether the particular file is available. If the file is available, it will open that file and write it. If the file is not available, first the FileWriter will create the file, then open it and then write the file. So suppose I have a folder here, my folder is data, I am not having any files in this folder, okay. So now I want to create a file inside that. So I am putting /data/ I want to create a file sample.txt, and after creating that file I want to write something. So fw.write, the basic method is write, which is used to write the content inside the file. So I am going to write it. So hello. So once I finish every job, I need to close it. So close your file. And this write method is basically throwing an input-output exception. So it need to be handled. So either it can be used by the throws keyword or by the try catch. So I am using throws keyword. So I have exception thrown. And the FileWriter to be imported. So Java, all these will be available in java.io package. So now we will execute the program. So success, the code got executed. We'll go and check in our folder. You see here the sample.txt file is automatically created. So open and see, the content will be available there. Suppose you want to edit the content. So I am using hi. Now this time the file is already available. So need not to create again. So it will just open the file and edit the content. So it will open the file and edit the content. So instead of hello, now hi is there. Okay. And in the FileWriter, we have another one option after the file path, that is called as append mode. So defaultly the append mode is false. So if the append mode is false, means it means that every time the file is open, it will rewrite the entire content. Suppose we want to append the content at the end of the file, then we have to use the option called as true. So if I put true and I am going to give how are you. So previously I have a content hi in the file. So now I am putting append mode is true. So it won't rewrite the content. So it will open the file and append this new content at the end of the file. So when you run the program and you will check with the folder, open and see. So previously I have hi. So the new content will be added as the end of the file. Okay, added at the end of the file. But defaultly, if I am not giving anything, the append mode is false. So if you run the program, and you open and see the folder, okay, so the previous contents all is overwritten. So the new content is starting from the beginning of the file. So now sometimes you may think that you need to remember the path of the file. So you will put maybe you can mistakenly put the slash and all. So you want to create your file in the root itself. Root means the project folder itself, I want to create that file. So you need to give only the file name. Okay, I need to give only the file name. So automatically this file got created inside my project folder. So now you want to see it. So this is my project folder, file demo. Nothing is available. So now I am going to execute it. So now what happens? We'll go and see that. So now this file is created. Now you open and see the content will be available here. So you can create a file in the specific path or you can create in the project folder itself. And the next thing, so instead of creating the FileWriter like this, I can create the object of the file first. F is equal to new file. So I am going to use with text.txt. Then I am using the FileWriter. FW is equal to new FileWriter of F. Okay, so the file I need to import. So import file. So here I create the file object first, and that file object I can wrap inside the FileWriter. So this also do the same job. So now you run the program. So go and check in your root folder. Now the new file got created, that is text.txt. Okay. So now the basic method which is used to write the content inside the file is write. And this write method having various forms. So we can see here in the write itself we have various things. So you can write as a ASCII value that will be converted as a character and write in the file. Then write a string, then write a character array, and then write a string with some offset value. So now we'll see one by one the example. So this is the example I am giving directly the string as an input to my FileWrite, and I am writing it. The next way I am going to use it by using the ASCII value. Okay, so I am passing the ASCII value of a character. So now we'll see what is happening in the file. So we can go and check the file. Okay, the ASCII value of A I have passed. So the ASCII value is converted as a character and it is printed inside the file. So here we are passing the ASCII value. Okay, and the next way I am going to use with write as a string. So string s is equal to, I am giving welcome. Then I am using fw dot write and passing that string. Okay, so now again execute. See your output, what it is available. So you have this welcome that is also printed along with that. Okay. So suppose you may feel that you want to display the output with the new line. Okay, so you can add a new line /n plus s. Okay, so now execute and check whether it is reflected there. So I can go here, check it, yes. So the new line is reflected, the new thing is displayed here. So when I use with string, directly the string is displaying with the entire information. In that fw.write, I can specify the offset. Okay, so instead of printing the string fully, I want to specify the offset. So I need to print only come. Okay, so C is starting from the position 0, 1, 2, 3. So I need to give the starting position, followed by after that how many characters I need to display. So from the third index, I need to display 4 characters. So I am putting 4. So from the third index, 4 characters will be taken and that will be written in my file. So run the program and you can check it. So now you see here only come is printed in the output. That is written inside your file. So same thing, we can create a character array. So character T is equal to, add with character G, O, O, D. Okay, so So I want to write this character array inside the file. So fw dot write t. So this entire character array got right inside your file. So run the program and then you go and check. See here, so good is displayed here. In the character array also I can specify the offset. In the character array also I can specify the offset. Fw dot write from the character array, from the starting index 0, I want to display 2 characters. So G is the starting index. From the 2 characters means go will be get and printed. So now you execute the program. See in your file. See in the file. So here GO got printed. So these are the various representation of your write function. You can use it. Sometimes you want to write the content inside the file by getting the input from the user through the console window. So to get the input from the console window, you know with the scanner class, scanner s is equal to new scanner. Already have the variable yes. So scanner system.in. So I need to import the scanner java.util. Okay, so you need to get one line from the console window and it should be right inside the file. So we need to get the input. So string s1 is equal to ss dot next line. So it will get one line of input and that I want to get from the console and write it in the file. So fw dot write s1. So now execute the program and it is asking, it is waiting for the user to enter some value. So I am writing I am good. So now you can open and check your file. So here you are having I am good. The new thing, whatever you get from the user through the console, that is also added inside your file. And also instead of getting a single line, you want to get multiple lines from the user. Multiple lines from the user. Suppose you want to get some 3 lines from the user and write it in the file. So I can use a for loop. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. So it will get 3 lines from the user and that will be added inside, returned inside your file. So run the program, waiting for the input. I am telling I am good. How are you? By all. So I added 3 lines. Now you open and see your file. See here, I am good. How are you? Bye to all. So from this program, now you can able to see how you can write inside the file using a FileWriter with write methods with directly hard-coded string or by using the ASCII value or by using the string value with offsets, character array and character array with offset, and also by getting the input from the user through the console and write inside the file. Thank you for watching.